Hello! Welcome to another episode of the Jocus Farm channel. With me, Farmer Jeremiah. So, last time in our video, we had just started germinating our seeds. Now, we've had some that have germinated and have produced tap roots. So, today I'm going to show you what we do after that happens. So we have a 50 cell tray here with a 10-20 flat tray underneath it, no holes, so we can keep all the residual water that does come out the bottom. I'm gonna be using some tweezers. I like using tweezers because I'm sciencey like that. I'm sorry you gotta hear my dog eating. Usually I try not to have her around, but hey, it's late at night, she's tired. So a lot of the germination rate depends on how old your seeds are. Now, tomato seeds have a shelf life of about 5 years. You can go longer than that. Your germination rates can sometimes decline after that. Now, my newest seeds have been the green vernissage. I'm guessing I just want to be fancy with the name. But this seed has germinated for us quite rapidly. Check some of the other seeds that we've had. They're a little bit older and have yet to produce a taproot. So hopefully that'll come in the next few days. But the newer the seed, the better the germination rate is going to be. So what I did is just come in here and open it up and unfold it gently because I don't want to spray these seeds everywhere. I'm trying to pay attention and pay attention to the camera at the same time. Oh shoot, look at that. If you can see that on the camera, you can see the taproots coming out of there. Now I'm going to use my tweezers because I like to use tweezers. You can use your hands if you like, but we want to be very careful with them not to hurt that taproot. If that taproot gets damaged, it's kind of hard to revive that. Now we got a couple seeds stuck together here, so. But anyways, we're just gonna come in here and let's try and get to a better angle here. I'm just gonna take the tweezers and like kind of give it a little circle and poke down for the taproot there. So I'm gonna try and grab one of these guys without damaging it, because they start to stick to the paper towel. So you can see there's the seed of the taproot. And I'm going to place it down in there like that, with the taproot going down into the soil, because we want the roots to grow down, not up, because that'd be kind of an upside down plant. So after we got that down in there as so, we'll give it about a 1/4 inch cover of soil. And that's how you do it. Now, we'll do that with every seed. And we got 50 cells here to feed, or fill. And, yeah. So, here we go. So there you have it. I planted 10 seeds, well, 11 with an extra. There's like one with 2 seeds in it. So these 2 rows here are filled with the green vernissage, and we're going to be labeling them. Obviously, next we're going to be doing another variety. Here in a little bit, I'll show you what else we do after that whenever I get the rest of those filled. There we go. Right, so we got these all planted. It's got a few varieties of green vernissage, black vernissage, black cherry, and an Italian Roma. So After we get done with that, usually just walk them to the grow room. Alright, so we got those under the light now. Now we're just going to wait for those guys to peek their heads out of the soil and just take care of them until we're absolutely ready to put these guys in the ground. Now we're actually a couple days ahead of schedule, which is okay by me. I wanted to do this by the 1st of February. Well, actually we're 4 days ahead of schedule. Sorry about that. And so now we're just going to go in there and give them a good drink of water. Well, I'm just going to spray them. This has a little bit of peroxide in it to help with fungus gnats that may decide to make this their home. I hope that doesn't hurt the seeds. It shouldn't, but I guess we'll find out after this experiment here. But I think everyone should be good. And just kind of sit and wait. Now we just got one flat done. We got several more flats to get done, but I'm ready to go to bed and call it a day. So I wanted to show you guys how we do that. I cannot wait to show you guys more and more steps that we'll be taking in the 2018 season to have a successful tomato crop. This is just one of the very few steps that we have to do. This is the start. The future starts here in January. We'll see you later. This is Farmer Jeremiah. Thanks for tuning in to Jocus Farm Channel. Have a wonderful day.